It's no secret that having a side hustle that pays well can help you get all the things that you want. But did you know that majority of self-made millionaires acquire their riches from multiple sources? In fact, 65% had 3 streams of income, 45% had 4 streams, and 29% had 5 or more streams of income. Well, that's based on what the IRS's research said, so you don't have to take my word for it. Research has also shown that 39% of US adults pursue secondary income streams, which means that majority of people have only one income source, and that's their 9-to-5 job. We all have dreams, but more times than not, those dreams demand more than our regular 9-to-5 job can afford. But how do you know if you can have a successful side hustle? Is it really possible to have a 9-to-5 and a side hustle? And when we talk about a successful side hustle, we're talking about a job or hobby that brings in enough additional income to do one or more of the following: help us purchase things that we couldn't normally afford, prepare for retirement, have dream vacations, and cover our bills. Oh, and yes, a side hustle can be an hobby. In fact, that's the best kind, because doing what you love makes everything easier.
Oh yeah.
With that being said, we're going to look at the 6 traits needed to successfully launch off our side hustle journey and keep it afloat. After careful research, it has been proven that these 6 amazing traits are common among successful side hustlers. This is the most important trait. Individuals that are balancing a 9-to-5 and a side hustle are fueled by an unwavering internal drive. No need for a hovering boss micromanaging their every move. These self-starters thrive on setting their own goals, deadlines, and standards. But what sets them apart? Their ability to stay motivated through thick and thin. When faced with challenges and distant rewards, they have mastered the art of keeping their spirits high and their focus locked on the ultimate prize. Having the ability to control oneself, especially emotions and desires in difficult situations, is an amazing trait of a successful side hustler. Study performed by Nobel Prize-winning psychologist Daniel Kahneman showed that we make 90% of our financial decisions based on emotions and only 10% on logic. Therefore, the more self-control you possess, the better your financial decisions will be. Having self-control also allows them to know when it is time to say no. It is natural to believe that people who run a side hustle, in addition to a 9-to-5 job, are always accepting new assignments and prospects. The reality is often quite the reverse. They understand that every time they say yes, that's them saying no to something that they need to do for themselves. They are cautious of the obligations they make, ensuring that each new duty or obligation corresponds with their objectives and does not deplete their energy unnecessarily. Successful side hustlers are masters of time management, and a big part of that is having self-control. Side hustle success demands a special kind of ingenuity. Those who seamlessly juggle a full-time job and a side gig are very creative and resourceful. Time, money, or any other resources, they know how to squeeze every drop of potential out of it. Faced with challenges, they don't just buckle, they unleash their inner innovators, eagerly learning new skills and developing creative solutions to overcoming roadblocks. They embrace the mantra that there's never just one path to success or victory. They fearlessly navigate through diverse routes, exploring until they hit that sweet spot of success. Surprisingly, a common thread among those who seamlessly juggle a 9-to-5 job and a side hustle is their affinity for waking up early. They capitalize on early hours to kickstart their day, channeling that quiet morning energy into their side hustle before the 9-to-5 grind even begins. This not only allows them to have additional work hours, but it also sets the tone for the day with an empowering sense of accomplishment. Side hustlers with a full-time job don't view failure as a dead end. Instead, it's a detour or even a pit stop on their journey. Setbacks, disappointments, and outright failures are mere bumps in the road for them. They refuse to be derailed. They embrace failure and recognize it as a precious source of knowledge and growth. They view every misstep as a stride towards success, every mistake as a lesson, and every step back as a mere setup for an epic comeback. It also allows them to have great patience, knowing that things might not happen in the time frame that they planned. At the heart of every successful side hustler lies an unwavering passion for their craft. It's not merely about the extra income, it's a journey fueled by love and desire to make a real impact. Their passion becomes the driving force behind their determination, like a beacon guiding them through tough times. It's the spark that ignites a perpetual thirst for learning and growth, transforming the entire journey into an immensely rewarding adventure. Like I said before, when you enjoy what you do, it makes it that much easier. For a side hustler, let us know in the comment section and let us know what it has been like for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, live good, think good, and make good money.